Good day. My name is Camille Emmanuel, and today I will be presenting my Doctor of Nursing Practice project titled Mindfulness Based Program Reducing Student Stress. This project focuses on evaluating an 8-week mindfulness based stress reduction program, or MBSR program, and seeing if it can effectively reduce perceived stress among LPN students. Stress is a significant issue in nursing education, affecting not only student well-being but also academic performance, retention, and future professional practice. This project aims to provide an evidence-based practical intervention that can be integrated into nursing education to support student success and resilience. I would like to acknowledge my committee chair, Carol Berger, my second reader, Jennifer Theo, my community member, Desia Samuel. Their guidance, feedback, and support were essential throughout the development and completion of this project. The purpose of this project was to evaluate whether a 8-week mindfulness-based stress reduction program could reduce perceived stress among LPN students. Stress in nursing students is a well-documented issue. Students are exposed to intense academic demands, clinical responsibilities, emotional challenges, and personal stressors. Research shows that high levels of stress are associated with burnout, anxiety, depression, and decreased academic performance. This is concerning because stress experienced during nursing school often carries into a professional practice. Without intervention, this can lead to workforce burnout, high turnover, and reduced quality of patient care. Mindfulness-based stress reduction offers a structured, evidence-based space and approach to improving coping, emotional regulation, and stress management. This project addresses a critical gap in student support within LPN education. The literature consistently supports the effectiveness of mindfulness-based interventions. First, studies show that nursing students experience high levels of stress and burnout, often due to clinical performance expectations and fear of making mistakes. Second, MBSR has been shown to significantly reduce stress and improve psychological well-being. For example, Bazarko found significant improvement in stress, resilience, and emotional health among healthcare professionals. Lomas and others reported that mindfulness improves emotional regulation, attention, and overall well-being. Additionally, MBSR enhances cognitive performance, decision-making, and self-awareness. Another important theme is accessibility. Studies such as LeBlanc and others show that online MBSR programs increase participation, improve flexibility, and support student engagement. However, Despite strong evidence, there is a gap in research specific to LPN students who face unique stressors due to compressed programs and clinical demands. This project contributes to closing that gap. This project was guided by Pender's health promotion model. This model focuses on promoting positive health behaviors through self-efficacy, perceived benefits, reduction of barriers, and others. In this project, students were introduced to mindfulness gradually. Barriers like time constraints were addressed through online delivery, and positive outcomes were reinforced through practices done by the students. The model helped ensure that the intervention was not just effective, but also sustainable and realistic for students. This project used a quantitative pre-test, post-test design. Participants served as their own controls, meaning stress levels were measured before the intervention and after the 8-week program. The intervention included guided meditation, breathing exercises, and body scans, along with personal reflective exercises. This structure followed the traditional MBSR model developed by Kabat-Zinn. The design was selected because it allowed for direct measurement of change, clear comparison of outcomes, strong alignment with the research question. The sample included 10 LPN students from a medium-sized licensed practical nursing program. Participation was voluntary and based on informed consent. All participants completed the pre-intervention survey and the post-intervention survey. This resulted in 100% retention and no missing data. This high retention rate supports the feasibility and acceptability of the intervention. The outcome measure was the Perceived Stress Scale, or PSS. This tool is widely validated and measures how individuals perceive stress in their lives. Data was collected using Qualtrics and analyzed using SPSS. The Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test was used because the sample size was relatively small, the data was paired, and normal distribution could not be assumed. This test is appropriate for comparing pre- and post-intervention scores in small samples. This slide presents a box and whisker plot comparing pre- and post-intervention perceived stress scores. As shown, there is a clear downward shift in the distribution of scores following the intervention. The median stress level decreased and the overall spread of scores shifted lower, indicating that most participants experienced a reduction in stress. Importantly, the reduction is not limited to a few outliers. Instead, the box plot demonstrates that the entire group trend moved downward, showing consistent improvement across participants. Looking at the numerical data, the mean perceived stress scale score decreased from 21.4, which reflects moderate stress, to approximately 15.2, which falls within the low stress range. This represents a 28.9 reduction in perceived stress. Overall, this visual presentation supports the conclusion that the MBSR intervention resulted in a meaningful and consistent decrease in stress levels among participants. This slide presents the statistical analysis results using the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. The test produced a z-score of negative 2.803 with a p-value of 0.005. Since this p-value is less than 0.05, the results are considered statistically significant. This indicates that the reduction in stress scores observed after the intervention is unlikely due to chance, and instead reflects a true effect of the mindfulness program. In addition, the mean stress scores decreased from 21.4 at baseline to approximately 15.2 post-intervention, further supporting the magnitude of change. Together, these findings demonstrate that the 8-week mindfulness-based stress reduction program was effective in significantly reducing perceived stress among LPN students, with both statistical and clinical significance. There were several important limitations to consider when interpreting the results of this project. First, the sample size of 10 participants limits the ability to generalize these findings to a larger population of nursing students. While the results were statistically significant, a larger sample would provide greater confidence in the reliability and reproducibility of these findings. Second, this project relied on self-reported data using the perceived stress scale. While the perceived stress scale is a validated and widely used instrument, self-reporting measures can introduce response bias, including social desirability and inaccurate self-perception. Another limitation is the lack of long-term follow-up. Data was only collected immediately after the 8-week intervention, so it is unclear whether the reduction in stress was sustained over time. Longitudinal data would be valuable in determining whether mindfulness practices led to lasting behavioral changes. Additionally, there were external factors that could not be controlled, such as academic workload, clinical schedules, employment responsibilities, and personal or family factors. These factors may have influenced individual stress levels and response to the intervention. Despite these limitations, the consistency of the results across participants, along with the strong statistical significance, suggests that the intervention had a meaningful impact. The findings for this project demonstrate that participation in an 8-week mindfulness based stress reduction program significantly reduced perceived stress among LPN students. This directly answers the project question, confirming that access to a structured mindfulness program is associated with improved stress outcomes. These findings are consistent with existing literatures. Studies such as Limothy and others have shown that mindfulness interventions improve emotional regulation, reduce psychological distress, and enhance resilience among healthcare professionals. One important aspect of this project is that the reduction in stress was consistent across participants, suggesting that the intervention effect was not driven by just a few individuals, but rather reflected across the entire trend. The large effect size recorded also indicates that the magnitude of this change was substantial. Another key point is the feasibility of the intervention. The online format allowed for students to participate despite busy schedules, engage in sessions at convenient times, reduce barriers such as travel time and constraints. This aligns with current trends in nursing education, where incorporating flexibility and accessibility into learning models are increasingly becoming more necessary. Additionally, important feedback presented in other studies suggested that students experienced improved coping strategies, increased self awareness, and better emotional control. These observations across the board support the findings and highlight the impact of the intervention. Overall, the results suggest that MBSR are not only useful but practical and a sustainable intervention within a nurse education setting. This project has several important implications for nursing education, advanced practice nursing, and healthcare systems. First, in nursing education, integrating mindfulness programs into the curriculum can support student mental health, improve resilience, and enhance academic performance. By providing nurses with coping tools early in their training, we can better prepare them for the demands of clinical practice. Second, in clinical practice, reducing stress in nursing students can contribute to lower burnout rates, improved job satisfaction, and increased retention in the workforce. Given the current nursing shortages, interventions that support retention are especially valuable. Third, this project highlights the role of advanced practice nurses. APNs are in a unique position to lead wellness initiatives, advocate for curriculum changes, and implement evidence based interventions. They can serve as role models by promoting mindfulness and self-care practices within both educational and clinical settings. Finally, from a healthcare systems perspective, improving nursing well-being can have a downstream effect on patient safety, quality of care, and organizational costs. Reducing burnout can be linked to improved patient outcomes and satisfaction. Overall, this project supports the integration of mindfulness as a standard component of nursing education and professional development. In conclusion, this project demonstrated that an 8-week mindfulness-based stress reduction program significantly reduced perceived stress among LPN students. The results showed statistically significant improvement, a large effect size, and 100% retention. This suggests that MBSR is both effective and accepted in this population. In reflecting on this project, several strengths stand out. Strong alignment between the research question and the methodology used. A validated measurement tool was used, and high participant engagement and retention. However, there are several opportunities for future improvement. This project could be expanded by increasing sample size, including a control group, adding a long-term follow-up plan, and exploring demographic influences on outcomes. In terms of future plans, I would like to expand this program across other nursing cohorts and explore integration into the curriculum. On a personal level, the DNP process has significantly strengthened my ability to translate evidence into practice and lead quality improvement initiatives. This experience has prepared me to contribute meaningfully to improving both nursing education and patient care outcomes. Thank you for your time and attention. This project highlights the importance of addressing stress in nursing education and demonstrates that simple, evidence-based interventions like mindfulness can make a meaningful difference. The following are my references. Thank you.